Hello Year 12. Today's lesson is about the processes we go through to identify patterns and relationships, and particularly how to identify exponential relationships related to the radioactivity topic we've been studying. For the second half of the lesson, we're going to look at tackling examination questions and increasing the challenge in those questions. By the end of the lesson, I do hope that all of you will be able to explain how to test for an exponential relationship and tackle basic examination questions. Most of you should be able to complete the intermediate questions, and some of you, hopefully you'll choose yourselves to complete the most challenging examination questions. A task that you'll be asked to complete during the lesson will be to reassess your progress on this topic compared to a few weeks ago, by recreating the mind map we created on radioactivity. So, first of all, let's get thinking about patterns, and patterns in data, patterns that lead to relationships. Scientists love patterns. Why? Because when we recognise a pattern and we can identify a relationship, then we can come up with a theory. Then those theories can be tested using further experiments and further gathering of data. So let's have a go at looking at patterns themselves, particularly sequences. You're going to choose whether you'd like to have a go at a picture sequence or a number sequence. Okay, Jack. Yes, Jack, stand up. Okay, on the right of the front bench, there is a set of number sequences, and on the left is a set of picture sequences. Class, if you want the picture ones, can you put your hand up and keep your hand down if you'd like the number ones? Jack, can you hand those out accordingly? Off you go. You have 2 minutes to do this task. So have a think about what you were doing in your mind. What makes a pattern a pattern? What makes the sequence flow on to the next item in the sequence? And then have a think about, what do scientists do to determine whether there is a pattern from the results they gather? The pattern is not always obvious from data. What do they do next? Yes, they plot a graph. So, have a go at sketching a directly proportional graph on your whiteboard and describe in words what that pattern means. What does directly proportional actually mean in terms of the data?